Hello, and welcome for another video. For this video we have a HP graphic calculator and a Samsung Galaxy S4 with a Wi-Fi problem. Let's fix them. We don't have power, so let's check the battery connectors. As you can see, we have a battery leak at the battery connectors. So we need to take off the connectors first and clean them. I'm using IPA to wick the glue behind the screen protector. There are two hidden screws behind this screen protector. You will see in a moment that I didn't notice the bad connectors is a negative, so I can pull them up without disassembling the device. I decided to let the disassembly on the edit because maybe some people need to disassemble the device and I want to help others. I use Faber-Clas pen to scratch the battery connector and take off the battery leak. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, for the next repair we have a Samsung Galaxy S4 with a Wi-Fi problem. As you can see, when I turn on the Wi-Fi, it's automatically turned off. So my relative tells me that sometimes, not very often, it's work and sometimes not. I think he dropped down the Samsung Galaxy and the pins behind the Wi-Fi chip cracked, so we need to reflow it and test it again. Okay, we disassemble the device and now let's look under the microphone. As you can see, I add in flux and I'm using hot air around 400 degrees and 50% airflow.